This is Mabel having the hiccups. Can you hear them? What if we get closer? We can see them. Hear those hiccups, Mabel? Oh. Mabel with the hiccups at 7 weeks old. Here she is sitting on the couch. She just had a nice little sponge bath. And Nana came over to see her today and hopefully let her mom get on the computer a little and help out and play with Mabel, who's so cute at 7 months old. Here's her hiccups. Uh-oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Let's see if Nana can set you back up. Ah, there we go. There we go. Like a little Peter Rabbit. That's what it is. Okay, that's me. Here's Peter. That's my rabbit. Here's my hand. It's kind of blurry, Nana. Whoop. Here's my feet. Here's me all together. Yay!